Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Amacha. So today I'm going to share my video, a video for my own video for the our team project that we are doing for this week. So part of this video project is part of the project that we already recorded in the past, and then we are continuing me and then was was Linda, who were a team, and then so. We're supposed to add two extra collections to the project and also implement some endpoints. We're also supposed to implement data validation and then include oath authorization. So with that, wasting much time, I will just run quickly to the project and then try to uh, show some functionalities of the project. So the project is already deployed to render, and then we are going to test some of the endpoint here now. So I will focus on the two extra collections that we just added. For some other the other ones were tested in the past video. So my major contributions to this project is on the area of configuring the Swagger UI and then implementing the authorization and data validation. So we all did it together. We work together with my team members. So first of all, let me try to view the orders, and then one thing you need to understand is that we are using authorization process to be able to allow access to this database, and that we're using GitHub uh, to enable that GitHub boot. So I can see I executed and then I was able to see some the orders on the database. Now let me rush quickly and go to the post. Now I'm using this parameter to post to create a new order. I'm going to change this to the BMW. Okay, just for formalities, and I change this to $10. I can leave it at pending, and I execute. You can see it should be so the order is created with this ID here. So if I take the ID and then go to fetch by ID, I'll be able to see the order. Um, Create order by ID, the one I just created now. You can see the BMW, and then we're able to see the order that I just created on the spending. Okay, now let's move quickly to reviews. Um, okay, so here we have some reviews in our database, and if I click here, I'll be able to get some reviews, all of it. Okay, those are some of the reviews that we have there. Okay, so now using the post route, I will try to add some create or create new review. So using this parameter, I will create new review and then call it Josano Limited as the name of the customer. And using this vendor ID, I don't have to. I can use the ID, this ID vendor ID, so I can leave it there, and then rate this 55, and then I will say, oh, I really enjoyed the berry. For example, as a comment, I really enjoyed the berry. Okay, so that is that, and I execute. It should be added. We should have created, and now we have created a new review item. Okay, so with this ID. So if I take the ID also and then go to fetch review by ID, I should be able to also see the new review that I just created. I'll press this here. As you can see, the review that I just created by Josan Limited, and this is the vendor. Notice that when added the vendor ID, and I was able to fetch the vendor information like the product, the phone number, location, and all that stuff of the item of the vendor. And then we also have review date, the date this review was made, was reviewed, and we created that created dates. If there's any update, we put it here. So that is basically what is here in this project. I hope you enjoy it. It's very, very inspiring and it's very, very interesting to be able to go through this. Other endpoints are working and implement data validation is implemented, and authorization is also using GitHub. So because without GitHub, you cannot be able to access. Without GitHub, you cannot log in because I logged into this. That's how I was able to access this. So if you're not logged, you will not be able to access this database and run this things. But it's not authorized to be able to make it work. Thank you very much, and God bless you.